Home Remedies presents
Seniors, your muscles are disappearing without this food in your diet. Hello and welcome. What if I told you that most people don't weaken because of age, but because of what's missing from their plate? Around age 50, your body begins a silent process called sarcopenia. Muscle loss that creeps in without pain or warning. But Buddhist monks, some living past 100 with strength and clarity, have cracked the code. They eat with intention. And today, you'll learn the 5 foods they use to preserve muscle, energy, and vitality, even into old age. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. The problem: sarcopenia steals strength year by year. Suddenly, stairs feel harder, bags heavier, movements slower. It's not just physical. It affects your confidence, independence, and identity. But here's the truth. Aging doesn't have to mean weakening. Monks don't rely on gyms or medicine. They rely on food. Simple, powerful, and purposeful. The 5 foods. 1. Spinach, the silent vitalizer. Rich in vitamin K, iron, magnesium, and vitamin C. Supports muscle recovery, bone strength, and joint health. How to use: add to soups, stews, or lightly sautéed dishes. Dosage: 1 cup daily, cooked or raw. Easily digested and anti-inflammatory. Perfect for aging bodies. 2. Sesame, the silent repairer. Packed with calcium, magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Strengthens bones, joints, and hormone balance. How to use: sprinkle raw or toasted on rice, veggies, or blend into tahini. Dosage: 1 small spoonful daily. Especially potent in black sesame. Used by monks for endurance and joint health. 3. Ginger, the vital activator. Boosts circulation, metabolism, and nutrient absorption. Reduces inflammation and muscle stiffness. How to use: brew in tea, add to soups, or consume raw in the morning. Dosage: a few thin slices or half a teaspoon grated daily. Acts like a wake-up call for your body's energy systems. 4. Plum, the rebuilder. High in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins A, C, K, and B. Cleanses the gut, improves digestion, and supports muscle regeneration. How to use: eat dried or fresh, or mix into oatmeal with apples or bananas. Dosage: 1 to 2 plums daily or a handful of dried plums. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption and stronger muscles. 5. Lotus seeds, the longevity builder. Rich in protein, magnesium, and calming compounds. Supports muscle tone, sleep, and recovery. How to use: cook like beans for soups, or grind into flour for porridge. Dosage: a small handful weekly or bi-weekly. Strength builds through consistency. Small and frequent beats occasional overload. These foods don't act like medicine. They build your foundation. Start with 1. Prepare it with intention. Your body will respond. Getting older isn't the problem. Accepting weakness is. So choose strength, clarity, and movement. Comment below: I choose to care for my body consciously and consistently. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a gentle push to start again.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.